In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to switch accounts on Binance. Switching accounts on Binance can be important for managing risk, enhancing security, and organizing assets. By using multiple accounts, users can separate funds for different purposes, such as trading and long-term holding, which helps diversify portfolios and potential account breaches. To do this, simply head to your Binance account. You will have to tap onto this logo on your upper left. Head to select onto your user ID. On this page, tap onto the Switch Account option of your bottom left. Wait for it to load. Onto this page, tap on the plus icon at your upper right corner of the screen. Now you will have the option to enter your other account credentials to have access to it as well. This helps in maintaining clear records for tax and accounting purposes, making it easier to track profits and losses across different strategies. And you don't have to log in and log out. You just once tap to switch from one account to the other. That's how easy it is to switch accounts on Binance. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.